Well, the wind's probably gonna blow again, but today we are back checking out. We're here at the East Providence City Hall in Rhode Island, and a bunch of exotic guys have gotten together for a cool event for kids, and they're gonna show things off. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm your host, VIPPrimo, and today we're back at the wind's blowing again, so it's probably going to be windy, but it is an awesome day today. We're here at the East Providence City Hall. They're doing a cool little exotic car event to show off to the kids. I see a lot of kids running up. The mayor's already been here to say hi, and they got a little visitor parking area designated off for these guys to show off some of their cool vehicles. So we're going to take a video of it. I can hear them coming now off the highway, so they'll be here any second, and you guys can check it out. It's going to be awesome. Alright guys, so that was a pretty successful event. If hopefully the air did not do too bad for me when I was talking or doing like that, so you can hear me okay. But the kids came out. It was amazing. Love the kids got to sit in the cars, so of course they're like having a fit because they just love it. And I want to thank, that's the thing is I want to thank the mayor for putting this together, thanking some of these guys for this is really last minute that they put all this together and having the kids out and doing the stuff. I mean, it couldn't have been easy, but they threw it together like champions and pros, and made it look really good. So as always, we're gonna have some more stuff coming you guys this way. You're gonna love the stuff we got, and this is not the last time we're gonna cover something like this. It's really gonna be exciting this year. I got a good feeling. Today's temperature is really good. Yeah, it's gonna rain tomorrow, but hey, it is what it is. We can get over that. We'll bounce back. We're gonna have a great year, good events, and everything will be great, and we're gonna cover it here. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget the bell icon. Do all the stuff you need to do. And as always, guys, don't forget to drive.